Barabbas, a rebel, a prisoner. Death was the sentence for me. Led before Pilate, I stood there beside him. This man some were calling a king. And as the crowd shouted, "Crucify him!" the soldiers let me go free.
What kind of man, guilty of nothing, would suffer the shame and disgrace? Hang on a cross, despised and rejected, so willing to die in my place. At Calvary, for someone like me.
My name is Thomas. For 3 years I followed. I saw every wonder and sign. They say he has risen, but his grave is empty. I just can't believe he's alive. Now standing before me, Jesus shows me the wounds in his hand and his side.
What kind of man embraces a doubter, who lovingly drawing me near? I don't have to wonder if I've been accepted. He settled the worry and fear. At Calvary, for someone like me.
My name is Peter. I knew him and loved him, but oh how I failed him that night. I promised Jesus that I'd never leave him. I'll willingly lay down my life. But there at his trial, I stood by the fire, and I denied him 3 times.
What kind of man pours out his mercy on someone who stumbles and falls? With no way to earn it, no way to deserve it, forgiveness still came after all. At Calvary, for someone like me.
Oh, I've been Barabbas, the guilty set free, and I have been Thomas, the doubter redeemed. And I have been Peter. Yes, I've been all 3. What kind of man pleads for the worthless to save him whatever it takes?
What kind of man would rescue a sinner and offer amazing grace? At Calvary, at Calvary, for someone like me, for someone like me, for someone like me.